How did Piltdown man deceive early human evolution theories? Imagine discovering what seems to be the perfect missing link between apes and humans, only to find out it was all a clever trick. That's exactly what happened with Piltdown man. Back in the early 1900s, a set of bones was presented as a fossil that could change everything about human origins. It looked like a human skull but had an ape-like jaw. This combination fit what many scientists believed, that the human brain evolved first, before walking upright or developing a modern jaw. It was exciting because it seemed to support the idea that humans first evolved in Europe, not Africa or Asia. The find was quickly accepted and became a textbook example of early human evolution. But here's the twist. The bones weren't real. The skull was actually a modern human skull, and the jaw belonged to an orangutan. The bones had been stained to look old and had been filed down to appear more primitive. The teeth had been ground to mimic where seen in ancient humans. These tricks fooled experts for decades because the fake bones matched what many scientists wanted to see. They ignored obvious clues, like the mismatched skull and jaw, or the fact that other fossils from Africa and Asia didn't align with Piltdown man's story. It was only in the 1950s, when new scientific methods like fluorine dating and detailed anatomical analysis were used, that the hoax was uncovered. The bones turned out to be much younger than claimed, and the jaw was from a different species altogether. This deception had a big impact on the study of human origins. It delayed the acceptance of real fossils from Africa that showed humans evolved there. It also led scientists down the wrong path for many years. The Piltdown man hoax is a perfect example of how bias and wishful thinking can influence science, even among experts. It shows how easy it is to be fooled when looking for evidence that confirms what we already believe. From a weird science point of view, it's a strange story of how a simple trick turned into a major scientific scandal. It reminds us that sometimes, strange experiments and surprising results can reveal more about human nature than about the natural world itself.